Hey guys, it's Cassie, and today we've got a little bit of a different video because I'm going to be unboxing the Heat Luxury Mystery Box. Alright, I'm going to go into the details of it. We're going to explore what's inside. Is it worth it? What treats have I got? What is the value? What did I pay? The ins and outs of this entire process. Heat. They are a mystery box company and they tend to focus on luxury fashion. They've been around for a few years and I have been very skeptical about the whole thing because I'm like, how are you able to give all these items that are worth more than the value of the mystery box, and they're like designer items? So the way they work is a little bit on a drop system, but there are different kinds of mystery boxes. So currently on the website, they've got the streetwear box, they've got the super brand box, right? So this is $1,140, which I think is like, I think it was just under £1,000. I should have been I'm on the US site. But I mean, Bottega, Saint Laurent is in there. And I was seeing what some of the people were getting, which is part of the reason why I decided to get this box. I was like, oh my gosh, literally Bottega chain cassettes people were getting, okay? The contemporary box, so that's, you know, Bottega, Rick Owens, things like that. Okay, so if we go to the holiday box, why did I pick it? Because it's with Mugler. Everything inside this box is Mugler, and there were two choices. The holiday box, which is $350, guaranteed value between $600 to $950, and you get 2 to 3 items inside, or the holiday plus box, which is what I got. And this is $580, or guaranteed value of between $1,000 to $1,500 plus inside, and you get between 2 to 4 items. I decided to go with the Holiday Plus box, and we are going to unbox it together. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, there is just a level of excitement. It's like pass the parcel. You don't know who it's gonna land on, you don't know what you're gonna get. The process was very simple. You literally just check out, but they do give you options. So if we look at the Holiday Plus box, oh, you can also gift it. That's fun. It can have a little gift message. But right, so you'll see here, you can choose the size for your top and for your bottom. Because with Mugler, it tends to be ready to wear. You want to make sure that whatever you get is gonna fit. And then the other thing that I like is that Mugler does 2 different types of mesh colours for different skin tones. So again, you can choose that as well. Very interesting. Also, the shipping was extremely fast. I got this in about 2 working days, and it's a UK company. Actually, I believe they are based in Yorkshire. Shout out to the Yorkshire lads and lasses. So yes, this was dispatched from Sheffield, I believe, and it travelled all the way across the pond to me in 2 days via DHL. Very quick. With regards to returns, what if you open the box and you don't like something? So as far as I'm aware, you can return it as long as you return the entirety of the box. You can't just like return one item, right? Which sort of makes sense because you buy it as a whole thing with one price, right? So fine. Why did I decide to pick this? It's Mugler. In my eyes, can't really go too wrong with Mugler. So I thought, no matter what's inside, there's a 90% chance I'm going to love it. And I'm willing to go with those odds. I've told you the spiel, I've told you all about it. Shall we unbox together? Oh my gosh, are you excited? I'm excited, okay. I haven't opened this. This is going to be a first time for all of us. Oh. We've got a card. Okay, a mystery treat just for you. Cassie, enjoy your Mugler box. The Heat team. Oh, and I shall. This isn't like, I bought this with my own money. Like, this isn't, I'm not doing anything with them. This is not sponsored. Okay. We have stickers. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, there's things. There's how many things? First of all, oh, is that a dress? It's a dress. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this teal, it looks leathery. It feels neoprene dress. Oh my gosh. Which, would I have picked, hope that's got some stretch in it. Oh, it does. Thank God. So, would I have picked this out? No, but I also feel like I could do this with a black turtleneck underneath and it would work for me. Oh, okay. We are doing well. Also, let me tally up the value of these. Right, so let me find out how much this dress is. Okay, so this dress is currently on forward for $950. It is on sale on Louisa V. Roma for $528. So I'm going to tally up as we go. So we've got $528, bearing in mind I paid $580 for this box. All right? Okay, it's a size 38. Wonderful. Okay, I'm also going to have a try of these. So we're going to see how everything looks. Okay. Da, 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 da. Oh, one other thing. I did say denim Mugler jacket. Now, you know me, I don't have the best track record of denim jackets, but this is cropped. Oh dear. But this is cropped, and I feel like we might be getting somewhere with it. What do we think? Right, let's see. This will also probably be a 38. I mean, to be honest with you, those two would go together, wouldn't they? I mean, she fits. I'm quite liking this part of it, actually. Okay, how much is this? On 24S, it's $1,040. So, I mean, already we're well over $1,500 with these two pieces. Okay, right, let me have a try on for you. And let's see if, I mean, I'm going to keep them. Oh, I'm kind of interested in this jacket, actually. I think I would have liked it one size bigger, but, I mean, she fits. Guys, where was this when I was in Miami? Is this not very Miami? I will say, so I was a bit worried about this because I was like, the stretch. There is a zip on the side, thank God, and this is a 38, and I think it's one of those things that you have to get it. You can't get it too big, or else it's going to bag out in places. This is perfect, to be honest with you. And honestly, like, I maybe wouldn't have picked it out because I think it's a little bit sexy, let's not lie. But I think it looks really good on me. Also, may we just dwell on the finish of this, please? It's like, you may hate that sound. I quite like it. Everything is held in and smoothed out and all of this. So, oh, Miami. Oh, Basil. Why did I not order this then? Well, it wasn't out then, so I'm giving myself some slack. Let's see it with the jacket if we do a full Mugler look, and then I will style the jacket how I maybe would usually. Does this look cute? Let me go have a look. I think we can all agree that this works. It works. She's working. A little topper to a look. Right, yeah, I would have liked this one size bigger, but am I ever going to close it? No. Okay, it's actually much more comfortable than I thought it would. Does it have stretch? It's got a little bit of stretch. A little bit of something in there. I'm quite impressed. Okay, now I'm going to style the jacket how I usually would. And let's see if it works for me. The trousers have to be high-waisted, or the skirt. I mean, this can obviously go with the skirt, but I'm just thinking about something that I would, like, today wear. So, high-waisted frame cargo trousers, and I think it hits in the right place now. You could do this with heels. Do this with a little bit of chunky jewellery happening there. Pop the collar, Cassie. Do it right. Oh gosh, scratch yourself in the jaw. There we go. How do we feel? Look, either way, denim jackets have forced themselves into my life. Is this the one? Well, apparently so. It's like Cinderella's slipper. I've just looked at myself in the full-length mirror. I love this. Here we go. I think this is such a cool look. No? You could do it with heels, you could do it with trainers. The cut of this really makes the difference. And I think that it's a little bit more difficult to style than like a normal cut denim jacket that's sort of straight up and down because it is a bit cropped. So I personally would only want to do it with something high-waisted so it overlaps. I don't want too much of a gap, like a torso gap between where the next thing starts, you know what I mean? But I love this. Overall thoughts. Obviously, with a mystery box and things like that, you have to be willing to risk it, right? I mean, but to be honest with you, the risk isn't that great because if you don't like the things, you can return it in its entirety sort of thing. And then guess what? You're in the same position you were before you bought it. So there's that level of security with it, which is what I was a bit nervous about because I actually thought maybe they don't have a returns policy, but they do. It's a little bit of a chance, of a game, of a gamble, shall we say. But I think it's really fun. It's a really great gift. Again, there are different levels and different price points for these, and I think that's a very cool gift to get somebody. It's a 2-in-1. It's a surprise for you and a surprise for them. I think especially if you have a guarantee of what brands are inside. Like with this one, it was going to be Mugler. I love Mugler. 90% chance I'm going to like what's inside it. So that minimises my chance of too much of a risk. But there we go. I'm actually quite impressed with that experience. Let me know what you think of the whole concept. Is this something that you would do? Do you think it's a cool gift? Let me know. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.